This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. It features a 5.0-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, driver and passenger front airbags, door reinforcement beams, and a trailer towing package. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Dutro Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 132 South 5th Street in Zanesville.